In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about the area of a semicircle. So here we have a circle. So a semicircle is just being represented like this. So when you're trying to find the area of a semicircle, you're basically finding the area of half of a full circle. So therefore, when you're thinking about the formula, think about what is the area formula of a full circle, and then just divide that by 2. So let's take a look at an example. So here we want to find out the area of a semicircle when you know that the radius is 6 centimeters. So we'll be using 3 different ways of solving because we have 3 different values for pi. The first one will be 3.14 being replaced for the symbol pi. So here we have the area formula is pi times radius squared divided by 2. Replace the values, grab your calculator. Hopefully you're following along with the calculations and round to the nearest tenth and make sure you label 56.5 centimeters squared. The next value of pi we'll be using is the fraction 22/7. Replace the values for the radius into the formula. Again, grab that calculator, see if your calculations follow along, and make sure you round to the nearest tenth. 56.6 centimeters squared. Last but not least, we're going to be keeping pi as pi. Replace the radius. 6 squared is 36. Take half of that and you'll get 18 pi centimeters squared.